Hello, friends. Good evening. Have you ever realized that whatever we are today or whatever we will become tomorrow is because of series of decisions we have taken in the past or the series of decisions we have not taken in the past. So, whatever we have achieved or we have not achieved is outcome of whatever decisions we took in the past and whatever decision we did not take in the past, and that culmination of all the decisions is the result that what we are today. Even in the future, we will become what decisions we take in future and what decision we do not take. That will decide that what we can achieve in future or what we cannot achieve. So how we arrive at that situation, that decision making power, where do we get from? You see, we have three kinds of brains. Every human being has got three kinds of brains. The one is your head brain. Head brain is the one which take decision based on facts and data, whereas there is a heart brain which take decision based on your emotions and the feelings, and the third one is your gut brain, which is in your digestive system, that take decision based on your instinct or your gut feeling. Now the point is, let me tell you my story. Had I not taken certain decisions in my early days of college life or school life, then I would have been something else. There was a time when after the 10th class, I had an option either to go for doing engineering, or I had an offer to become a village accountant, or that what you call patwari or kanungo, or maybe at the most tahsildar. So I had that option that time, but that time the decision I took that yes, I would like to go study further and not stop here, not pick up that job. Similarly, another moment came when I was in the dilemma, because in 70s there was a time when civil engineering was very important. People were used to rush for becoming the civil engineer, because people used to think there is a lot of earning in that. But no, my thinking was different, and I decided that no, I will go for electronics and communication engineering. So those decisions, whatever I took, today the life has been different. Similarly, for everyone, whatever decision you have taken in the past and whatever decision you have not taken in the past, your life is the resultant of all these things. So we talk about that head brain, heart brain, and your gut brain. Now, head brain, as I mentioned, that it depends, it takes decision based on the figures and facts, where the heart brain, which is basically on the emotions and the feelings. But the gut brain, what we call it, Atma ki awaaz. Sometimes we said, "Ye meri Atma ki awaaz." Instinctively, what your instinct says. And that is a very strong feeling which decide that what decision you should take at that moment of time. Maybe in the crisis, or otherwise you have to take a life decision. Best decision is when you combine all these three: the gut feeling, your heart brain, and your head. All these three combined together will give you the best wisdom, and that wisdom, whatever decision you will take, most of the time that will be the best decision of your life. So always when you are taking any decision in life, listen to the heart, trust your gut, and then apply your head brain, which can combine your data and the facts. So when you go with your instinctive feeling and take into account your emotions and the heart feeling, and at the same time apply your data and the facts, all three combined will make you the best decision makers. And let me tell you, you will not have a chance to repent them. But if you entirely depend on your head brain, that is figures and facts, or only emotions or feelings, or only the gut feeling, probably you may go wrong and you may have to repent for that. So, ladies and gentlemen, you must make use of all the three feelings, three instincts, your heart, your head, and your gut feeling. You will find yourself never in a very difficult situation or dangerous situation. This much is for your decision making. Tomorrow onward, I will be talking on limiting beliefs, that why limiting beliefs are there in every human being, and how do we can take care of it to make our life more successful. Not only that, why the limiting beliefs are very much obstacle in your progress in life, and what are the kind of limiting beliefs. This could be financial limiting beliefs, this could be your relationship limiting beliefs, this could be your health limiting beliefs, or your mindset limiting beliefs, your professional limiting beliefs. So these all limiting beliefs are the ones which design your life, entire your life. And if you can overcome those beliefs time to time and know your limitations, know your limiting beliefs, probably you will take the corrective action in time and you will grow. I will be discussing all these things in detail from tomorrow onwards. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Yes, Pandey, thank you so much, and please share your comments. Thank you.